Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, this is the last video in the bread and butter series. List it and forget it. Let me know what you guys think if you want me to continue this or not. Thanks for being here. I do appreciate it. So, the first item I'm going to talk to you about, I tried to sell on Whatnot and I couldn't even get $5 for it. And I'm like, all right, that's fine. I'm going to put it on eBay. And I'll give you the little side story to that here in a few minutes. But my focus has been growing my Whatnot, and I have kind of let my eBay slip, my eBay Poshmark and Mercari, I should say. I haven't been listing and cross posting like I should be. And the last couple months, I've been really working hard to get more items up on eBay and the other platforms. But yeah, Whatnot's growing. It's fabulous. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to continue to do that. But I also want to keep eBay relevant, right? Because the more you list, the more sales you have. We all know that. So I have been listing to eBay, just not like I was. So this first one, I think it's a knock your socks off, because how many of these shell necklaces do we see? And we're just like, craft, craft. Nobody wants that. You guys, they do. I did a search on shell necklaces on eBay just because I was curious, and this popped up. And I'm like, these actually have a decent sell-through rate. They look like corn. They look like corn kernels, right? It's not the most pretty necklace I've ever seen. But I searched solds. I looked at the titles. I kind of went with someone else's title for keywords. And I listed this, and it sold very, very quickly. Okay. So I had two of them. I was like, I'm going to put one on eBay and I'm going to put the other one on Whatnot and see what I can get for it on Whatnot. All right. So this one sold very quickly on eBay for $25 and the buyer paid shipping. I took the other one to Whatnot. Now, the other one did have some missing beads, and I'll show you that. But I tried to sell it on Whatnot. It did not sell. Nobody would pay $5 for it. So I sold this one for 25. Whatnot, nope, didn't get a bid. So we'll talk about the other one when I get to it. All right. So this one is a vintage Avon gingerbread brooch. And I got this at a garage sale / estate sale, and they had a whole bunch of Avon. So I just bought it all. And that was August 23rd of 2025. So that was over the summer. And I sold this for $23 on best offer. These were new old stock, and they have done very well. And I've got quite a few listed. So really excited about those. Avon seems to be doing very well on Whatnot, and I'm guessing it's probably doing pretty well on the platforms as well. This little mouse house, it is by Sweet Sweets, Fisher Price, listed it July 5th of 2022, and I sold it for $12.71, and the buyer paid shipping. This one here is a more recent sale as well. Probably took about a month to sell. It's a St. Christopher Pray For Us car visor, and it is a Catholic religious piece that you put on your visor. Sold this for $32.50, and the buyer paid shipping. The next item, okay, here's the other one. Now let me show you. See how it's just missing a little bit here? So I listed it. I'm like, I'm just going to list it. Nobody wanted it on Whatnot. I'm going to see if I can sell it. Wouldn't you know it, the same person that bought the other one came and offered me $20 for this one. They said, there's a few beads missing. Would you take 20? So I took it. Yes. Yes, I will. So between those two necklaces, I made $45, and just unbelievable, right? So do your research on shell. Some of it has some value. Very unexpected. So just wanted to share that with you guys. And that was a newer listing as well. This one is old from March 7th of 2022. It's a Bronner's Nativity ornament. I leave my Christmas up all year round. What do you guys do? Let me know in the comments. This one finally sold, and it sold for $13.81, and the buyer paid shipping. And I got that out of a thrift store mystery box. This one is I don't know if you guys ever saw any of those videos, but they were like toys and Christmas, and I would buy big mystery boxes from a local thrift store, and I do unboxings. A lot of those are over on my Sourcing with Bolo Buddies YouTube channel, which I do not put content on anymore, but you guys could check out some of the old videos. They're fun to watch. These are quilters sewing labels, super cute. Surprised these didn't sell sooner. They're people that make things put them they sew them on and they can like stitch their names into them. This was from October 24th of 2022. I picked this up in a bulk buy, so didn't have very much in it. Took a best offer of 10 and the buyer paid shipping. All right, so I've talked about these before. I got these at a garage sale, picked up a big lot of silverware, parted it out, so probably have about $1 in this. These are the small coffee spoons. So I just bought this, let's see, I just listed these in 2025 over the summer in June. I bought a big set that I sold. I think maybe that was my husband. I don't know. He brought me home some silverware too. But I bought a big set and I sold the set. And I think it sold for between 80 and 100 for the set. And then this set I parted out because you guys have been selling silverware and so many people have been saying it's a Bolo. I'm like, I'm going to try it. So I'm trying it both ways. And these sold for $22.75 and the buyer paid shipping. So I'm actually making more by parting the items out. What do you guys think? What do you do? Share in the comments. This is a Koala Baby Elephant Security Blanket listed in December of 2022. Sold this for $13.81 and the buyer paid shipping. The buyer, I am their only feedback. So they had 0 feedback when they bought this, which means they were looking for this item. And that's one thing I say about Loveys. People's kids lose them. They need replacements, something similar to what they had. And they come and they look for the pre-owned ones on eBay. So always a pickup for me. Some of them go for, $10. Some of them go for hundreds. And you can usually find them at garage sales pretty cheap. I usually pay $1 or $2 for them. That one I got at the Goodwill bins. Okay. So this says that I listed it November 9th of 2025, and that is true, but it sat in my store for a long time. Got it in a thrift store mystery box, and I got a bunch of them, and I don't really like listing things like this because they take up a lot of space. Well, I was reorganizing my shelving for all of my big stuff, and I did donate some stuff, which I'm usually a list it and forget it, but I wanted to free up some space and some of it had just been listed so long. And I was like, no. The other items that were big, I said, I'm going to put them on eBay auction and I'm going to lower the price drastically and see if I can get some stuff out of here. And I did that with this and it sold for $14.99 and the buyer paid shipping. So happy to see that one go. This one, same thing. Relisted it. It's been listed forever. I can't believe I did have 70 or $80 on it. So maybe I just had it too high, but all of these accessories could have been parted out, but I did not want to recreate this listing. But a lot of times people will pay, $5 to $10 just for these little pieces, sometimes 15 or 20, depending on what it is. And it had the 2 dogs. So somebody got this for $29.99. That was a fabulous deal. But again, it was just taking up a lot of space and I did not want to take the time to relist the items individually. Now, if I was doing eBay like I used to, definitely would have done that. But because my focus right now is Whatnot, I'm on there 4 days a week. I just wanted to move it quickly. So that's what I decided to do. This one is a 1974 Avon fragrance glaze pin. And picked these up over at a garage sale / estate sale over the summer for $2. This has only been listed since August. These are selling pretty quickly. I love these little guys. Sold this for $14 and the buyer paid shipping. And these were all new old stock, so never used. The next item is this Fisher-Price Little People Christmas Nativity Replacement Manger. And I sold this for $13.68 and the buyer paid shipping. And I got this at a garage sale. I think it was the complete set and I parted out the little figures. I do that a lot with toys. I want to have another toy show over on Whatnot. I do have it scheduled and I have it ready to go. I just haven't done it yet. Really been focusing on jewelry, but I know I need to get over there and do some toys. So come and see me on Whatnot. If you're not on there, I do have a referral link down below. You can get $15 to shop with that. That's for new users. And I would love for you guys to come to a show. This one here I got at the Goodwill bins. I don't know. I was like, I'm going to try it. They're Conair Pro Clips. They're hot and cold roller hair detangler combs. Check them out. Would you have picked them up or left them behind? I don't know. I thought I'd try it. I sold these for $17.85 and the buyer paid shipping. Those have been listed since January of 2023. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Again, this is the last of the bread and butter series. For now, if you guys want to see more like this, I know a lot of the items were long tail. This one actually had some newer listings in it. But again, focusing on getting more items listed to eBay and over to Poshmark and Mercari, and also cross-posted to my Whatnot Buy It Now. You can now use List Perfectly to cross-post to Whatnot. Yay! So if you guys are not taking advantage of that, definitely do it. I do have tutorials on how to use List Perfectly, and I did do one specifically for how to cross post to Whatnot. So if you guys sell on Whatnot and the other platforms and you're not getting items over to your Buy It Now, definitely consider that. Check out that tutorial. If it's a good fit for you, you can use coupon referral code bolobuddies, all one word, and the link below to get 30% off your first month of List Perfectly. You can also use that to upgrade to a plan you've never been on. But there's other features to List Perfectly as well besides cross posting. So you can check out those videos in the description. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.